Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel datalogics_IBSN. Today we will go step by step to understand how to formulate and solve LPPs using Excel's add-in solver tool. Go to Data tab. If solver is not available, you can enable it by going to File, Options, Add-ins, Excel add-ins, and just make sure this is ticked. Now let's move on to Excel and set up our problem. Assuming we are solving an optimization problem where we want to maximize our profits of two products, that is cupboards and beds. We will name our decision variables as X and Y, representing the number of units produced. The profit function is 40x plus 30y, where 40 is profit per unit of X and 30 is profit per unit of Y. Let's add some constraints to our problem. Suppose we have 100 hours of labor available, with each unit of X requiring 2 hours and each unit of Y requiring 3 hours. Our first constraint for labor is 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 100. Similarly, for raw materials, suppose we have raw materials limit of 80 units, with each unit of X requiring 1 unit of raw material and Y requiring 2 units. Our constraint is X plus 2Y is less than or equal to 80. Our decision variables are X and Y respectively, and our objective function is to maximize the profit, which is equal to 40 into X units plus 30 into Y units. And the constraints we have are material is less than or equal to 80 and labor is less than or equal to 100. Therefore, we can write 2 into X plus 3 into Y. And for raw materials, we can write X plus 2 into Y. Now let us use the solver tool to find the optimal values of X and Y. Go to Data tab and click on Solver. In the Solver dialog box, it asks to set the objective, which is our profit maximization. Click on Max to maximize the solution by changing the variable cells that are X and Y. And subject to constraints are our constraints, which is this is less than or equal to 80 and this is less than or equal to 100. Make sure to select solving method simplex LP and solve. The solver has found a solution. Excel has now displayed the best values for X and Y to maximize the profit, that is 40 units of X and 0 units of Y for profit is equal to 1600. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.